Okay, here we go. So I just finished off doing the steps here, and basically they're custom. I cut the stringers, and what we wanted was that you look, you got 6 inches, and then 6 inches, 6 inches, and then it's 6 inches to the top of the door. And then each one of these is 11 and a half. Okay, 11 and a half. So all the steps are the same size, width, and it's the same drop coming off of the house. And that's why we use this. I made these stringers right here so that the height would come out for that. And then we put this board just for decorative to look better. And there you go. So now code says that if it's no more than 3 steps, you don't need hand railings. So I'm kind of inclined to just not putting on any. They're nice and wide, 49 inches. So it's beyond the step by a good margin, or the door. I'm inclined, as long as they don't say something to me at code when they come out and look at it, that I'm not going to put hand railings on here. I think it looks cleaner, and it'll be better.